All right, guys, we're almost done with our Who Am I books. We just have two things left to do. So in your packet, you should have these two pages that look like this. And what you want to do is you want to color those pages. Now you can, if you want to color the border out here green and this one red, you can color the snowman's hat, the scars, you can color the banner with the little Cupid guys on the bottom. What you're going to be doing right here is you're going to be putting a picture of you, your sticky picture, and you will find your sticky picture in an envelope inside your packet that was just picked up on December 11th. So written on the outside of the packet is just the word picture. Okay, so you're going to want to get your sticky picture out of there and you're going to put that in there. So today, all you're going to do is color, and then tomorrow we're going to assemble it. So get this out and go ahead and color it.